Control of speech is called Vang Mouna. A forceful withdrawal of the senses is called Indriya Mouna. Complete abandonment of all effort is called Kashta Mouna. The silence of the mind is included in these austerities. Therefore, it is not described separately. Mano Mauna is implied, no matter what Mauna you are practicing. However, there is natural Mano Mauna during death, during state of swoon, and during deep sleep state. Mind stops during deep sleep, during a state of when you have fainted away, and during death. A sage who is immersed in the awareness of the self is the enjoyer of Sushupta Mauna. Even in the waking state, though engaged in various activities, he enjoys the silence of deep sleep. This form of Mauna is the goal of all spiritual practices. 3 Maunas. Mauna of speech, the Mauna of silence of the senses, and in this wooden type of pictorial silence. All these types of silence are externalized. This silence is not touching the absolute silence of the self. So don't confuse. No matter how silent you sit, you are not rooted in meditation, in the self. And the vision of a person is trapped by the projections of the citta. You can be externally very silent, but internally you are trapped. You are riding a horse, and suddenly you realize that you have to practice meditation, but you don't want to get out of the horse. So you control the horse. Make it as still as possible. Now you have succeeded. The horse is very still, and nobody is around. But you are fooling yourself. Every moment you are under stress, keeping the horse under control. So what appears like a practice of great silence, internally there is a lot of effort is involved. This is not to discourage you from practicing silence, but to discourage you to think that the practice itself is perfection. Continue to practice your pratyahar, withdrawal of senses, your level of silence as discipline for the goal which is being explained.